Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Gate.io Exchange app on your Mac in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight Search. To open Spotlight, press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to Gate.com. That's the official website of Gate Exchange. Make sure you're visiting the correct link to stay safe and avoid phishing sites. Next, go to the top of your screen and click on File in the menu bar, then choose Add to Dock. A small pop-up will appear, allowing you to rename the shortcut if you want. I'll leave it as Gate.io. Click Add, and you'll see the Gate.io icon appear right in your dock. Here's the cool part. When you click that icon, Gate.io will open in a standalone app-like window, completely separate from Safari. Even if you close Safari, the Gate Exchange will stay open and work just like a native Mac app. And that's it. You've successfully installed Gate Exchange on your Mac as a standalone web app. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.